Oh, bird. Whoa, that was kind of scary for me. I thought I was going to get hit by that little bitty sparrow. He's like, flutter, 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 flutter. Oh no, he's coming towards me. Felt a bug that time. More bugs, more bugs. It sounds like rain. It sounds terrible. I'm gonna have to wash my bike tomorrow. I just got a bug in my eye. That's why I had a problem there. I don't know if I've blinked it out or what, but it's not as stinging as it was. Okay, so somehow just as I made that corner, the bug came back and now is feeling like it's scratching the shit out of my eye, like it's biting me. Not good at all. Not good. I'm hoping it's not a bug that can bite, because I'm in serious trouble if it is. Because it'll be biting the shit out of my eye right now. It feels like it's moving back into the front of my eye, like it's trying to get out of the water that's teared up on the sides. Oh man. Oh, okay, not fun driving with a toad. Toad. Good Lord, that scared the crap out of me. I'm dealing with a bug here. Don't jump in my way, you frog toad thing. That was a frog, sorry. My bad, I mistaked your name. But still, the point is still the same. Don't jump in my way, because I might have hit you and I don't really want to even hit something your size. It's raining bugs. Hallelujah, frogs love the bugs. I should probably keep my mouth shut so I'm not swallowing bugs.